So similar to fractions, when we have decimals, you can either work with the decimals the way they are, or you can clear decimals and turn these into integers. So we could, at this equation here, 0.6x minus 1.4 equals 2.8. We could add 1.4 to both sides, divide both sides by 0.6, and you'd be done. We have calculators, and you can do them that way. I am going to show you a technique that allows you to clear decimals out. And so what we do is, notice that we only go to the 10th on these. All these are 1 decimal. And so I could multiply both sides through by a 10. I just have to make sure I distribute the 10 onto all the terms that are in there. And so what that does is it shifts everything over. So this is going to be 6x minus 14 equals 28. It just makes it a little bit easier to work with, particularly when you have, sometimes you'll have tenths, hundredths, thousandths. If you can go ahead and get all those as nice integers, it's just easier to look at. You get the same answer in the end. And so here, now it should be fairly standard. We're going to go ahead and add 14 to both sides. And so I'm going to have these 14s cancel. I'll have 6x equals 42. And I'll go ahead and divide both sides by a 6. 6's cancel. And I'll get x equals 7. And you get exactly the same thing if you worked with the decimals the way they were. Okay, let's try this one. We have 0.2x plus 0.5 equals 0.7x minus 1.5. Again, all these are to the 10th, so I'm going to multiply both sides through by a 10. And so what that does is it just shifts every value here. We'll have 2x plus 5 equals 7x minus 15. I'm going to go ahead and subtract 7x from both sides. In the same move, I'll go ahead and subtract 5 from both sides. These 5's cancel, 7x is canceled. 2x minus 7x is negative 5x equals negative 15 minus 5. It's plus a negative, so it's going to be negative 20. So negative 5x equals negative 20. I'll go ahead and divide both sides by negative 5. Going a little quicker through here as we're going through. We've done a bunch of these already. And so negative 20 divided by negative 5 is positive 4.